Before, I asked only for the boat for me to going back to the kids to do Bible study, and yet no one can provide me about the smaller boat of compared to the boat that I have this time. So God provide me a big boat because God knows what ahead of me, what ahead of us. So I'm wonder. So I not wonder. So I just noticed that this boat will also used by the church that I am attending, because the pastor, the members of the church will come with us to go to this island to share the gospel, and we have pastor, and that is the big blessing, the big answers prayer for me, because during the time I am alone. Guys, it's not easy for being alone doing ministry, cooking food, preparing the lesson, preparing to manage the food to go there. I am the only one doing that. No one's helped me, and I thank God because I able to do that, because I enjoying it. God give me a heart to enjoy of what God want me to do and enjoy it.